Hesitates to shoot. Goes against all in the room. Spin move. Layup for two. Oh, picks it up.
For the win, for the win, for the win.
Move. Zion kicks out. Kick lightning for three. Guarded by Doc Kramer. Look how strong he is. Throws it out. Oh, goodness! He's there! He's there! Time out!
Ito. Ay, natanya ko sa million views. Ay, million views. Yung bata ko. Ano? Gusto mo 1 million views?
Ano, Facebook?
Gusto mo 1 million views? Sunod mo yung game siya. Matik yun.
Pare, ito, teammate ko, UE Warrior, Jason Almenario, alias Kwek Kwek.
Yan pa yung may book dati dito lang.
Oo, yung may parang control dito.
Ay, buo na yung book niya. Dati yung book niya, iiwan lang dito.
Bawal ang pag-ubigin dahil malamig.
Senti na siya ngayon? Dati yung book niya, ano eh.
Dating nasa tambay ng Gastambi dito, ngayon tambay na lang.
Lugawan
ni ate, sino yung tambay natin? Ate Ellie. Si Ate Ellie.
Ngayon na, big time na sa United Kingdom.
United Kingdom. Ibang klase na to.
Ay, Hopper.
Tatlo kami 18.
Tatlo kayo 18? Oy, Kensya, bakit number 18 ka?
High school.
Pero walang meaning yan? Dahil lang yan yung first number mo, nag-stick ka na? Walang reason na to? Bakit mo gusto rin 9? Ah, Boss Samboy.
Pagdating ko sa Washington, may number 9.
Siyempre, rookie ka lang nun, hindi ka pwedeng lumaban.
Pwedeng magpigas-pigasan.
Tapos nung nag-18 ka, ang ganda ng performance mo, nag-stick ka na.
Doble mo na lang yung 9.
Ah, yun ang meaning ng 18. 9, dinoble mo. 9 plus 9.
Zero.
Kala ko magkakamali ka pa. Trending. Yun ang pa-trending pag nagkamali yung game shop, no?
Namali ng competition.
Oo. Ano sabi mo?
Nag-take pa.
Kala mo?
45 minutes maglaro.
2 minutes lang na may play. Atan?
Pinapakalman ko ba kayo? Sa mga ritual. Akin ang tape mo. Pang Madrid ko pa to eh.
Ito kaya, tapean mo.
Diyan ka magaling.
Tapean mo kaya yung sa ulo. Injured na eh. Injured na.
May headband ka?
Kaya idol, ikaw ang tunay yan, Dakite, di ba? Di ba yun yung nickname yung... Oo, siya nga. Sabi ko sa'yo, siya yung Dakite eh. Alright, kami yung magsasayaw mga kamising na 1, 2, 3, 4. Go.
Tigas pa.
10 minutes. Are you ready?
Always ready. Born ready.
How about you? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Ready. Let's play lang. Let's play.
Are you ready?
Super ready.
Are you ready? Nakilala mo? Sai! Are you ready?
Ready for the rematch.
RD,
Kulang.
may tanong si JJ, sinadya mo ba daw nung basketball?
Wala eh.
Sinadya mo ba daw yung sinuntok mo yung bayag badudol ni JJ? Inutusan ka ba ng James Yap o Kirby Raimundo?
Sabi ni James.
Eh, ikaw pala nagutos eh. Papagising tayo. Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Isa pa. Gusto ko more energy. Balita ko, mas energetic yung mga taga-UMA ng Pinoy community natin, okay? So, hep, hep! Hep, hep! Thank you. So, on behalf of PBA Moto Club, thank you for having us. Na-return, babawi kami, syempre. Alam nyo naman, natalo kami last time, di ba? So, yung mga kalaban namin, pinagandaan daw ulit kami, pero kami naganda kami. Kanina lang. Okay. Sa inyo pong lahat, may regalo kami sa inyo. Sinong gusto nyo sumayaw? Si James Yap! Gusto nyo ba makita sumayaw si James Yap? Si JJ Helterbrand, gusto nyo rin sumayaw? Okay, dito lang sa PBA Moto Club, nag-tandem yung dalawa para sumayaw, para sa inyo. Okay? Ready? Boys! Formation! Let's go! Formation! Yung regalo namin sa inyo, pinaghirapan namin to. 2 years! 10 months namin pinag-practicean itong dance move namin. 10 months. Okay, 10 months. Sana i-record nyo, i-post nyo. You're all welcome. Okay? So, labas nyo yung cellphone nyo. Pan-trending to, pan-trending. Kasi, James Yap, JJ Helterbrand, may bonus pa, Kirby Raimundo, Don Kramer, Paul Artadi, Bong Alvarez, mga amazing! Cyrus Baguio, Ryan Araya. So, let's go! Let's do Join us, join! Join us! Come on! Let's go, join us! Alam niyo yung kanta na to, makakapatch tayo. Mas matatanda kayo sa amin. Come on! Let's go! Linya!
Let's go!
Come on! Okay, magtapos. Let's go! Let's dance, baby! Parang sumpa lang, parang sumpa. Alam ko, baby. Kendra and Scarlett po, sasayaw. Kendra, Kramer, Scarlett, Kramer, kasama niyo po sasayaw. Okay? Let's go! More! More! Huwag tayong mahiya, tayo kapwa Pinoy. Tayo yung mga Pinoy. Hindi tayo kaya huwag kayong mahihiya. Tayo ay Pinoy. Let's go! Let's go! Wait! First of all, wait mga ka-amazing, first of all, i-acknowledge natin ang present ng Philippine Ambassador natin. Ambassador Teddy Luxin, palakpakan natin. Let's go! Yeah, let's go. Music. Thank you, Ambassador Teddy Luxin, na pagbigyan tayo ng Ambassador of the Philippines natin.
You are here to win because last year you won. Okay, it's going to be a fierce game. Give it your best. Thank you. Ambassador, on behalf of PBA Motor Club, I just want to say thank you and present you PBA Motor Club.
Saan ka natin sigaw? Good! Dito! Dito!
Father, I pray for protection for both teams, and I pray that you may be blessed in all that we do. We love you and praise you.
Welcome, Team Kramer. Team Kramer is in the house. Team Kramer is in the house.
For today, help us, Lord, to play our best, give our best, and win this game. We offer you everything, Father God.
Okay.
To the Father and to the Son.
Last game of the day.
Thank you guys.
Amen. Amazing tayo, amazing. Amazing on three. PBA Motor Club! Amazing!
Guess it's a JJ. Team Amazing, look at the set of plays. Break it down.
Let's go!
That's Rico's second personal foul, 14 fouls, warning for penalties. The play for Team Amazing.
Umalis!
Nice move by Rico, gets it inside, Declo, nice inside pass. He goes up, mid-range, good. throws 100% at that line. Quick pass off the end. Kyle brings it up. Uses the screen. He squares up for the 3. No good. Yako gets it to Mr. James Yap. Oh, he's about to change up here. Second team. With the real JJ, please stand up. This is the inside the frame. Raymond to get double. Nice spin move. Oh, makes Chiller 2. Kyle Tess setting up their defense already. Raymond post move. Coach for 2. Kirby post 2. Defensive right play. Oh, inside pass. Siren. Good for 2. JJ Hazelbrad looking to make a shot. Oh, nice crossover move. Oh, goes mid-range, too strong. Rebound, Raymond. Runs the defenses. Oh, corner 3, no good. Rebound down. Timeout. Hand off to Raymond. Basket good. Ball gets it to Yap. James Yap for 3.
Free throw. Ito na mag-hip-hip.
Go, James! Come on! Woo!
Ikaw maingay pag nagsushoot. Dapat ano.
Oh, makes the bell. Makes the second. One more to come. This one is live. Ladies and gents.
Let the fun begin.
Anim na lang!
Kapal naman itong mga kasama ko dito. Charot. O, diba? 7.
Convert to free the man with a minute lose James Yap. Oh, nice move. Oh! For number 10,
All right. Jonas looking for the step up, looks to get it back quickly. Nothing good. Oh, nice hit out.
Oh, JJ, here we go. Told you, team amazing credit is the team defense right now.
Baba!
Run low, layup, lay. Rocco! James Yap, the man who moves, goes up, no good. Gets his own rebound. He feeds it into Kirby. Oh my God, Kirby. Oh, post move, shimmy, footprint. Hey, Mr. Amazing. Hey, yeah, Guarded by Jonas Rivasa. To Kirby. Hesitates to shoot. Goes against Arnie LaRome. Spin move. Layup for 2.
Oh, picks it up, 14 down.
Back in Lightning. James Yap. Mid Lightning. Oh, I can't see. Nice leg for 2 points.
For the win.
Hesitation move. Zion kicks out. Kid Lightning for 3. Looks to get it back. What a game. Change favor, by the way, George. Change favor. Throws it out. Jello. Guarded by Mr. Yap. Downloads your Maxwell. Guarded by Doc Kramer. Look, Shogins. Throws it out. Oh! He's there.
change favor.
Doug Kramer. Guarded by LeBron. Oh, sidestep. Shot. Good for two. Doug Kramer. Running the court for Team Amazing. Doug Kramer. Guarded by LeBron. Doubles there. Nice pass. He will shoot. No good. Rebound. Doug Kramer. For 2 points.
In and out. Missed bounce.
Oh, missed out. Amazing.
Doug Kramer. 2 points.
Mr. Kenny Lightning gets it to JJ. To James Yap. Inside to Kirby. Guarded by Medina. Here we go. Post through. Goes up. That's a foul.
And the 2 free throws.
That's some fun from there, Kirby.
Go, Kuya. You can do it.
That's one's no good.
Isa lang, isa lang. Just one, just one.
This one's live. This one is live.
Take your time, take your time.
Missing the second, picked up by Jonas.
Jonas brings it up to Team Happy. 30 seconds remaining. Rudasa able to look for the space. Corner 3 is ready to go.
21 seconds. Top. And there was foul. Very good. Rebound, Medina. 10 seconds.
LeBron throws it out. Again, quick shot off. No good. Picks up, tries to get a second chance for Medina. Nothing called. And that's the end of the game.
What a game.
That's the end of the game.
Ladies and gentlemen.
The score 77-74 in favor of Team Amazing. Please make some noise for your team.
Oh, Mr. Amazing's got a jersey. Who wants it? Who wants it? Who wants it? Hard 3, hard 3, hard 3, hard 3, hard 3.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this what you want? Sino ba ng part 3? Babalik kami next year. Sino ba? Kasi ang score, 1-1. Technically, wala pa nito champion sa ating dalawa ng team na to. Gusto nyo ba kami bumalik next year? Oh, mag-ready ulit kayo next year, ha? Tampakan nyo ulit kami sa first half. Okay. Thank you so much, UK. You are all amazing. Sabay-sabay muna tayo. Amazing on 3. 1, 2, 3. We love you all, mga kababayan natin. Thank you.
Mga amazing, we just want to say thank you. Don't be all stars. We have to have a good game, man.
Grabe.
Appreciate you guys.
Ang galing ni Rico magpa-hype.
Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat sa mainit na pagtangkap sa amin. See you guys next year!
Yes!
Part 3 daw? Part 3! Part 3! Salamat at mag-ingat kayo dito. Babalik si James Yap! Part 3! Yung field brief naman, maraming salamat. And syempre sa camping, maraming salamat sa talagang sobrang mainit na pagtanggap sa amin dito sa team PBA Moto Club. So maraming salamat ulit sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Team Amazing. Mga kababayan, thank you. Salamat Team Amazing. Paul Artadi, MVP! Presented by President Ray Rodriguez. Our All-Star Team MVP, number 16, Kid Lightning, Paul Artadi.
Grabe!
Congratulations to Team Amazing.
Go, go, go! Meron pang ano. Go, go, go.
Again, another shout out.
Madam!
Okay, isa muna ano, James Yap, James Yap. You're my James Yap. Another successful event, my friend. Yes, sir. Good job, guys. Good job. Rai, Sai, good job. Yay, good job. Hey, MVP, good job. Kuya Curbs, good job. Hey, Gako, good job. And Mr. James Yap, good job. Pare, ganyan lang. Sa history ng Motovlog, nanalo tayo with Vlog Gamer! Okay. Mga amazing, nakita nyo, tinambakan kami. Pero lumabas yung fighting spirit nila. Galing. Bumalik yung PBA days, ha?
Lumaki ba ng 20?
20 ano? 22. Alam nyo, proud na proud ako sa inyo lahat. Alam mo yung mga ganyan tambak, yung mga iba, nararatel na eh. Lumabas yung fighting spirit. Yung mga PBA days na mga galawan nyo lumabas ng second half. Diba?
Yung mga napapressure tayo. Pinagalitan ako ng Gako.
First time ko nakita nagalit yung Gako sa exhibition game. Ha?
So, relax. Let's go!
Paul, suot ka ng brief. Yan. Hop! Go. Yan. Sisilip. Wala sumisilip. Magaling, Hindi. Yan ang gusto ng mga tao. Hindi, yan ang gusto. Kuya, yan ang gusto ng mga viewers natin. Pag si JJ ginaganyan ko, maraming views.
Para sa lang yun, papanoorin mo.
Zoom. Up. Ayan. Nakabihis na guys, mga amazing. Pasensya na po, walang sumilip.
A few moments later.
And congratulations, mga idol. Iniidolo ko po mga kababayan since grade school ako. So I am so blessed to see them here today.
Classic po. Idol live nyo po. Grabe May ano po. Patch.
Never say die. Never a die-hard fan here from the UK. DJ Raturan.
Makikita nyo na po yung sarili sa YouTube. Amazing. Thank you po for supporting PBA Motovlog.
Always do.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good job.
Dito, kay James Shop. Good choice of hat. That is the best hat. What number?
286.
286 of 300. That's in the world. Only 300 in the world. Are you happy? All right. I will send you hat. I will sign your hat, my friend.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for supporting. Picture? You want a picture? Let's go, let's take a picture.
Lagi po kami nanonood ng vlogs nyo.
Thank you. May natututunan po ba kayo?
Meron.
Okay. First of all, I apologize. Do not touch the Stonehenge, ha?
Yes, I saw that one.
Do not touch it. Lesson learn, ha? Tama ba? Ha? Alam mo na ngayon.
Do not touch.
Kasi gusto mo sumunod sa akin, di ba?
Actually, alam ko yun before you did that.
Ba't di mo pinigilan?
Wala, gusto mo eh. Binigay mo pa sa akin yung camera. Kunin mo.
James Shop Honors. JJ. Oy, idol, amazing. Thank you. Good game.
Idol na idol po ng husband ko si Jay. At ikaw?
Amazing.
Huwag na ako si JJ. Damay po pa. Porque na dito lang.
Para walang tampuhan.
Thank you. Nagtanggap po na role player po ako niya. Role player niya po. Si Gako po ayaw nyo? Huwag na yung Gako. Nung makikita na yung Consi Games is for the people talaga.
Yes, brother.
Hindi naghireklamo. Ang nasay na ng jersey, 1,000 na na tao.
1,000 na.
Hindi pa siya pagod, nakangiti pa rin siya. Diba? Tingnan mo. Oo, naka-smile pa rin.
Ganyan yan.
Hindi pa rin pagod.
Parang si Jaworski yan.
Oh, parang Jaworski at Alvin Patrimonio natin. Dami pa. Ano yung kwento kay Makmak?
Kanulubong niya ako. Sabi niya, bro, jersey. Binigyan ako ng XL. Sabi ko, idol.
So hindi mo size?
Hindi mo size.
But happy ka?
Oh, siyempre.
Siyempre, Cardona natin yun. Animo. What will you say to me if I say I give you food?
Thank you.
Very good. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See that? Lesson learned for the kids, huh?
Oh, nice.
Wow! Classic. Papirma mo yan. Papirma.
Sarap.
Ba't galit ka dito? Pati na mukha mo, tigay mo nga yung mukha mo.
Ilalagay namin sa memorabilia.
Ako ba? Mangarap mo yan, maging lasal dati, di ba?
Buti na may bumili.
May bumili. Porque sa'yo yung bestseller, ha? Baby girl! Have some donut. Get some donut. Open. Okay, get some donut. Get one.
Come tomorrow in the hotel.
Okay, see you, sir. See you po. Amazing. Get one, baby girl. Come on, get some donut. Don't be shy. What flavor do you want? Chocolate or strawberry?
No?
You don't want? Okay, no problem.
Thank you, bro.
You don't like sweets, huh? Welcome, high five. Hey, my friend! Come here. Get some donut, please. Is this your son?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Good basketball player, huh?
He trained for 6 years.
Alright. Thank you. Say thank you to me. Salamat po! Oh, sabi salamat po. High five. Very good.
Salamat po.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Nice. Holiness of God. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mom. Thank you. You're amazing.